Hi, my name is Dawn Michelle and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog, and today I'm going to be reviewing the latest offering from the Ipsy Glam Bag for September 2020. Let's see what's inside. Very fall-like, very retro, and here is the handle on there. I think I have it upside down, I'm sorry. Let's see if we have anything. We have the theme, and it's called Good Vibes. Does it give me a list of what's inside? Actually, it does. What? This is Benefit Cosmetics, the POREfessional Hydrate Primer. I like the drawing. With your busy life, a good primer like this oil-free formula is key to a fresh, long-lasting look. It creates a barrier between your skin and your foundation to prevent oils from wearing down your makeup, and hydrates your skin for up to 12 hours with hyaluronic acid and shea butter. Okay. This is the deluxe sample. This is not the full size. The normal full size would be 22 ml at $32. It's pricey. So this is the Hydrate Primer. I wonder if I should put this on now just to see. Oh my gosh, it's so cute and tiny. Look at that. And it says 98% said it minimized pore appearance. 98% said skin looked hydrated and healthy. 100% said it helped makeup glide on smoothly. Okay. I don't know who they are, but it looks almost like a match book. I don't know if that was intentional or not, but so cute. I think you get basically one application in this. $32, huh? It doesn't have a protective seal on it, which is odd. Let's see what it looks like on here, on the skin. Okay, that's what it looks like. Almost looks like my skin color, actually. I wonder if I should be precious with it because it isn't a lot. But I'm just gonna apply this. Ooh, it's pretty thick. Almost like putty. I don't feel it peeling up right now. I do feel that it's hydrated in the spots that I put it in. So that's good, especially in the cheek area. That's my dry skin area. EVO Beauty Skin Hydrating Mask. Can you see that there? There we go, into focus. Very nice. 15 minutes with this mask is like hitting the reset button on your complexion. It nourishes, hydrates, and rejuvenates skin for a seriously dewy glow. It has hemp seed oil, a natural source of fatty acids and antioxidants, to heal dry, damaged skin and reduce sensitivity. And it says to apply a thick layer of this mask to clean skin, leave on for 15 minutes and then rinse. I think I'm gonna save this for a future first impression, because I already put primer on and I'd like to check out what else I can put on to create my look. What price is this? It says full size will be 40 ml at $22. Oh, all right, here we go. It looks like, the tinge of it looks like it's slightly green. Can you see that there? It has a slight tinge of green and it feels creamy. It has like a soap scent, like one of those fancy soaps you would buy. Yeah, that's the kind of scent that it has. So again, if you're not into fragrances, this may not be for you, but I like the scent. Her. And this is their highlighter from Ultimate Glow Getter. That's what it's called, the Ultimate Glow Getter Highlight in Goddess. True to its name, a few sweeps of this shimmery highlighter makes you glow like the goddess you are. It uses finely milled, high reflecting pigments to give skin a soft, subtle sheen that looks naturally gorgeous. Plus, it's cruelty-free and made without gluten, talc, or parabens. So it says for the tip, sweep this highlighter on your shoulders and collarbones for a pretty all-over glow. So this is considered a deluxe sample. The full-size version of the product is 7.5 grams, and it's listed at $28. What? I don't know what it is, but it seems highlighters are getting more and more expensive. I don't know how I feel about that. I think, you know, the demand of makeup goes where it goes, especially on trend. And right now people are kind of shying away from going full on, especially with the pandemic going on. So I think highlighters kind of took the place of giving that natural, look at that. It has like almost like a, it's plastic, but it has almost like a marble, cool marble effect. Okay, and this is what the shade looks like within. Almost looks like a coppery bronze. Has a cute little mirror in there, which I like. Feels very smooth, almost like a very fine powder. And I'm just gonna put that there. It's very subtle. Is it buildable? Let's see. Yeah, could be. But again, it's very subtle. You see how it goes here, right? Yeah, it's very subtle. It might look better on deeper tones. For me, though, it's very subtle. So for like an all-over glow that's not too to the gods, this might be it. This is from SHAINA and Miami, and I'll spell that out. It could be SHAINA, S-H-A-I-N-A, and Miami Contour Brush. Meet your contour powder's new bestie. Keep them together in your makeup bag and they'll live happily ever after. The angle shape is super easy to use. No matter your makeup skill level, it gives you a ton of precision and control when sculpting your cheeks, forehead, and jawline. Tip: this brush is also a great size and shape for applying highlighter right where you want it. So let's see, shall we? That's how the brush looks. It reads contour on there to remind you what it's for. After a while, though, that kind of rubs off. Feels very soft considering this is supposed to be a contour brush. This feels softer than the typical one. It's not as firm. It really isn't. So the whole idea of it being for a highlighter doesn't seem that far from the truth. So I am gonna try this and see. Take this off. Apply it here. Does pick up a little. I don't see much fallout. So let's see. Do I see much of a subtle? Okay, there is a subtle glow. It's not glowy to the gods type of look, as I suspected. It's very much a daytime highlighter in that respect. It's not terrible. It's just very low key. Like I would call this like a wedding highlighter, because this is not something that's very pronounced, but there is a healthy glow. You see it right there. Very subtle. So if you're into subtle highlighters, this may be the one for you. It's the Tarte Cosmetics Big Ego Mascara in black, of course, you know. Fully loaded flutter for up to 16 hours. We're here for it. This mascara coats lashes in ultra black pigments and gives them dramatic lift, length, and volume. And it even doubles as a conditioning lash treatment thanks to nourishing and moisturizing panthenol and babuso. These are the add-ons that I included. This first one is ORYZA from Beauty, the Camo Shimmer Eyeshadow. I thought this was interesting and kind of cute, simply because of how the presentation. Oh, this has a plastic, but it may be small, but looks can be deceiving. I mean, look at that. Apparently, it's a tiny palette. Look at that. So if you want to go traveling, this is perfect to throw in your bag and keep it moving. Perfect colors, especially for the fall. Let's see how they do swatch-wise. I don't think, ooh, that came out real creamy. This looks like an olive than a brown, actually. This color up here. But you'll see. I'm swatching them now. And that first one has a different texture. This one than the other three. But that's the colors. Looks promising. This is very promising. Look at that. Look at those. This is a little bit chalky, and that was this color down here. But not bad. D-O-U-C-C-E. Douce? Not sure. But I know that I had, not that long ago, sent to me an eyeshadow, like a freestanding eyeshadow. So I was like, oh, this is pretty. This is a blush of theirs. You know, it doesn't seem dramatic, but I'm gonna try this brush here. It's nice, it's subtle, and a little goes a long way. Just don't get carried away. It doesn't look like much on camera, but I could see it. This is pretty bold, considering I only took a little bit off. I'll just do this real quick. And I'll put it right next to it so you can see. That's the blush color up there. Sort of like a peach. I like it. And what's interesting is that this has like a magnet. It closes, this little thing. It's amazing. What shade is this? It's called Zen Orange. This says this is the Endless Silky Eye Pen from PIXI PETRA. That's the color right there. I don't know if you can see it. I'll put my hand up there so you can see it. I'm gonna do this real quick. Oh, so creamy. So creamy. That went on like a dream, actually. It's almost like a marker, but it's a pencil. I'm gonna give this bag an A. Now this was the base subscription bag. Pretty impressive. And the add-ons, they had a bit more to choose from the add-ons, which was great. I really liked that. I found some stuff and I'm really pleased with it. I'm dying to try out a look with that ORYZA palette. That really pretty. Really pretty. What do you think? Are you an hipster? What did you get in your bag? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, hit that like button, and even better, hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for watching. And again, my name is Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest makeup adventure, and I will see you on the next one. Take care. Be safe. Bye.